Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. VPC sitter and on-prem sitter must not overlap, and you need a stable public IP for your customer gateway. Create the customer gateway in AWS with that IP and choose static or BGP routing. This defines how routes exchange. Next, provision a virtual private gateway and attach it to your VPC so AWS can terminate tunnels. Once done, note the VGW and CGW ID. You'll reference them in the next step when creating the VPN connection. Now create the site-to-site VPN in the console, selecting the virtual private gateway and your customer gateway. Choose tunnel options like encryption and pre-shared keys. After creation, download the vendor-specific configuration file or copy tunnel details. Apply those settings to your on-prem router or firewall so the peer IP, PSK, and IKE/ISEC proposals match. Configure routing next. Either add static routes pointing to the tunnel or enable BGP with the correct ASN, and update your VPC route tables to direct on-prem sitter traffic. Finish by bringing the tunnels up. AWS provides 2 redundant tunnels, so make sure at least one is established. Test connectivity from an instance in the VPC to an on-prem host using ping and traceroute, and verify route propagation in the VPC route table or via BGP session status. If things fail, check security groups, NACL, and the on-prem firewall rules first. Also inspect IKE/ISEC logs for PSK mismatches or incorrect proposals. Reapply correct crypto settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.